Hello and welcome to my channel. And a quick question for today. I got myself one of these new TSU-BH2 sound decoders. This is a new product from Soundtraxx where you can upgrade a Bachmann Steam sound value to a Tsunami 2 decoder. I have one of these, but I have two locomotives, and I cannot really choose which one to upgrade. So I ask you, the viewer, if I should upgrade the 2.6.0 or this 2.8.0. Now, one small note: when I was preparing this video, I thought that I had three Bachmann sound value locomotives, and I do, but this one here, the 4.6.0, is not eligible. So just a small note: read the fine print carefully which locomotives are eligible and which ones are not. And you can see why it's not eligible, because the tender is just a bit thinner than the other ones, and this decoder is relatively wide, so it's just not going to fit. So again, if you think I should go for option A, the 2.6.0, or option B, the 2.8.0, just leave it down in the comments below, and I can embarrass myself again with my soldering skills. That's all for now.